This is a way to get rid of all of the scrap vinyl you have laying around the house and also make money off of it making car mirror decals. You will need to come up with some short yet meaningful messages and cut those out using your scrap vinyl and whatever cutting machine that you use. Once you weed out your messages, cut them out and put your transfer tape on top of them and make sure everything is even for easy application. Next, you want to take your messages and add them to your car mirror decal flyers, which I will show you how to make these flyers at the end of this video, and put them in some fancy bags for sale. I created the car mirror decal flyers through Canva. This is a 7.5 by 5 inch canvas. Again, Canva is a free app to use whether on your computer or your phone. I'm working on my phone right now. If you never heard about or seen Canva before, you might want to watch a tutorial video before this one. But it's an easy app to use. You can watch me how I decorated my car decal mirror flyer. Everything was under elements and I just went in and add text and fonts until I came out with a nice layout that I thought was cute. And if you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. It's pretty self-explanatory. Again, Canva is free. And everything I did here was, again, pretty self-explanatory. You can use the same exact layout if you choose. If you have any questions, let me know. Once you're done customizing your flyers, the last thing would be to do is print. And I printed mine out using glossy photo paper.